Hello and welcome to Theme Park Explorer. We're here for our September vlog here at Alton Towers, and you may think it's Halloween, Scarefest, but actually not. We're here the day before.
Yep, but they're all ready.
Yeah.
It's all looking good, just walking down Tower Street. There's a lot going on. It's all very good. It's Friday, September. It's a rare weekday we've come.
And we thought it'd be quiet, and there's lots of school trips. So
yeah, there seems to be a lot of school trips going on for some reason. So who knows what the queues are going to be like? We'll find out. Might be better off going to see BBs today rather than the bigger rides. But we'll see. We'll take a few shots of what's knocking around for Scarefest.
Yeah.
And, give everybody a heads up.
See over at Pumpkins as well, they've also brought in a new one for Nemesis Reborn. Sonic Spinball Wizard, not Sonic Spinball, has closed for maintenance. Not sure how long it's going to be. You can see that. But yeah, not sure how long it's going to be. Let's hope they get it open soon. You see some more Scarefest theming here. I do like this one. It's simple but effective. So we've just had our ride on 13, and I thought it was alright. One thing to note was the baggage hold was not open, so just before the ride where you're giving your bags was closed.
Yeah, it takes a bit of rushing about before you get on the ride.
Yeah.
Bit of chaos, people coming off the one before grabbing the bags, and then you've got to try and get your bags and, without holding up operations.
Yeah, I mean it definitely slows down operations. But
we think it was 3 trains.
Yes, 3 trains running today, which I was surprised about. But yeah.
Yep. Just walked past the cable cars. They're not open. They have been running, but they're not running at the minute. It's 5 to 12, so we'll see whether they're running it. 5 minutes time.
But we're just walking up to Amigos in the Afterlife, which we'll show you now, and it looks the same as last year. Over here we have Trick or Treat Town. You can see so that's in partnership with Haribo and Moam. I think they're the same company, but so you can see down there there's also 34 days till Halloween. Then over here in the old Dungeons area is the Amigos in the Afterlife. See here, I don't think anything has really changed. See a pumpkin over there. Don't think anything's really changed. So that used to be the old Dungeons, which hopefully something's done with that properly at some point. You can see the words, and of course over there I believe was where there was Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, in here was the elevators. But yeah, so I don't plan to do any of these. So obviously you'll have to go somewhere else for them. And there's the Trick or Treat Town. Yeah, but it looks so we just tried to eat in what was one of our favourite restaurants here in CB beside the Explorer. I can't remember what it's called.
Yeah. Reduced menu for some reason.
Yeah.
Not a fat lot to eat. If you want a margarita pizza or jacket potato, you're alright.
Yeah.
Some strange looking chicken strips and a bowl of nachos.
Yeah, there wasn't any tacos what there was before or anything like that. So it's a shame.
Yeah, I don't know whether that's a temporary limited menu or what, I don't know. That was our favourite. We're going to have to find somewhere else.
Yeah. It's like picking the best thing out of a bin, really. We've just had a ride on the Curse at Alton Towers.
But before that, we actually went to Pizza and Pasta.
Oh yes, we did.
We did. So, don't want this to be a food review tour of Alton Towers, but we will. So even Pizza and Pasta was empty. I sound like I'm moaning. It still feels stressed and compact.
Yes.
There's not enough room for people to sit down. There's not enough. You're back to back. Just remove one table from every section. That's all you need to do. then that solves it. It just feels like your sardines. It feels cramped. It feels stressful, which I'm sure is the idea because you get stressed and you leave, you know. But yeah, the pizza was nice though.
Yeah, the salad was good.
The salad was good. Yeah, so the pizza was nice, but yeah. So then we've been on the Curse. Nobody was sick after the pizza and pasta with being frightened too much.
Yeah.
Usual ride. Timing out. Most things happen above your head that you don't even notice.
Staff are good though.
But the staff were actually getting into it today. They were trying to, like, you know, almost jump scare you, I think it's known as.
Yeah.
So that's good. Yeah. So keep going, staff. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know where we're going now, but
We'll find out. We've just had our ride on Wicker Manor.
I don't know what it is about that ride. Every time we go on it, it seems to be quicker,
definitely.
faster. I love it.
We were on row 11, so one from the back.
Yeah, interesting. The queue to get on is 50 minutes, but I was struggling to keep the ride full.
Yes.
You were watching the pre-show and then going straight onto it.
Yeah, so I don't think anything can be done there, but apart from removing the pre-show.
Yeah, I think once you've seen it twice, you've seen it enough times, I think, have it?
Yeah, but apart from that, the only one side of the flames was on.
They were.
So the other side wasn't. Whether that's going to come back anytime soon, which I doubt, but we'll see. See some more Scarefest theming. It's very nice, this one. So we've just had a ride on Hex, the Legend of the Towers.
Yep.
And it was good, yeah.
Yeah, it's
very
good.
Quiet.
Yeah, but very, very quiet. Not many people on it. I know it's a simple ride. I still can't get my head around how it works. I know it's simple. People say it's simple, but yeah, it's simple but clever at the same time. Love it. We still need to look for the chained oak.
Yes, we haven't been to the chained oak yet. But one thing to note was that the usual exit was closed.
Yes, so it was the disabled entrance, wasn't it? We used for the exit. But for me, it was more in keeping with the theme because it was the entrance for somebody else. So I preferred it. You didn't like it.
No, well, I don't know if it's just because they're setting up for Scarefest or it's just for Scarefest or what. So obviously, I guess we'll find out tomorrow if anyone's there.
Yep.
But apart from that, we see on the app that CBeebies Land is very quiet.
We're going to hit CBeebies.
Yeah, so hopefully get a few rides. Thank you for watching. That concludes our day. But we have a few final thoughts. So we did end up going around CBeebies Land.
We managed to go up to Naughts, which is a lovely ride.
Rare to get on.
Yeah, it's only, I mean, it said 5 minutes, but it's more like a 10-minute wait. But not been on it for years. And then we managed to get on in the Night Garden.
Yes, which is in a state, I guess you could say.
Yeah, it looks like some bits have been cleaned up.
Yeah.
Some of it, a Macapaca makes
he was
a terrible noise.
And he was rattling away as well, so...
probably could do a bit of neatening up, but I don't know how long that's going to stay as in the Night Garden, who knows. I reckon it might be time for a change. I don't know how long they're tied in for.
I don't know.
And then I went on Nemesis Subterra, which again, it's a good ride. It's a very frantic ride. Lots of things going on. You know, you kind of rushed in, then things happen, and you know you've got things poking your back, water, wind spraying on you. It is very frantic, and then you're kind of rushed out. It's good if you like that sort of stuff. It is like sensory overload, which some people might not enjoy. So, which is probably why the queue was only 5 minutes.
Yeah, and something rare. We actually have something positive to say. That obviously it's not Scarefest yet, it's tomorrow, but there seems to be a lot more theming around, and they definitely have tried a lot more this year.
Yeah, it's all looking good.
Yeah, there's all the freaky friends,
Yes.
Round.
Can't remember the names. We were told the names.
Skelvin, Patch. I don't know
That's
the rest.
two.
Skelvin and Patch. That's
Yeah,
all we know.
but yeah, so they're all dotted around. So presumably, you know, you keep your eyes out and you find them throughout the day and whatnot. So
yeah.
If you're coming for Scarefest, enjoy the theming, enjoy your time. Hopefully, we'll be here. We'll try and get another visit, and you know, do a bit of filming, try and do some of the experiences and stuff, and then let you know what it's like.
Yeah, so it's definitely nice to see, and I don't know if this was kind of Bianca's last thing, what she has done, because if you don't know, Bianca has left.
Yeah.
So that's a shame, obviously, because I feel she was definitely trying to make the park better. But
yeah.
It is what it is, I guess.
It is what it is. Yep.
But
so
anyway,
thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.